What's going on YouTube? My name is Ali. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to speak to you about something very different than what I usually speak about. Usually on this channel I try to offer as much value as possible and try to offer you guys a way or a solution to a problem that you already have. Actually ask my friends what questions they have and actually convert them into videos in order for me actually to have more ideas to actually provide value to more of you guys out there. And this video is gonna be totally different than any other video that I make, guys, and I wanna be fully freaking honest with you over here. And there are, to be honest, a lot of upcoming entrepreneurs, online entrepreneurs out there, especially this year in 2018. And I just wanna make this message clear right here and right now. It is the 8th of February 2018. And I speak from a position of honesty. I wanna speak from a position of actually being very real to you guys. I'm not really going through that through a really great financial time in my life personally. That doesn't mean that it's not going to be improved. It definitely is getting improved day by day, but I'm not saying that I've already made it, or I'm not claiming to be a full-time online entrepreneur. I'm not claiming to be this six-figure agency owner, because I'm not. I genuinely am not a six-figure agency owner. And although this is my goal to reach 6 figures yearly, I'm not there yet, and I'm just putting it out there just so you guys can understand. I actually have one client which is not fully mine, so I actually have 25% of that client, which is not that much either. It's actually a referral that I've made to my Facebook ads coach, and I actually work together with him and basically learn as much as possible about Facebook ads. I'm already pretty good. I'm not gonna say I'm a total beginner. It's just that the level that my coach is at, it's significant, and it's not not everyone that has a local Facebook ads agency. I don't think that most of the people can do what he can do, right? So just broke my camera right there. But yeah, guys, I just want to put my honesty out there, because the deep reason why I'm actually making YouTube videos, guys, ever since 2008 is when I first uploaded my first video. And all of my old colleagues know me. Like I've always tried to make it big on YouTube ever since I was 10 years old. And no, it didn't really work out, but it definitely got me somewhere. I've had great opportunities. I'm flying to Dubai in 2 days, and you're probably gonna see this video as I am there. But the point I'm trying to make is, where my whys come from is literally, guys, I just want to inspire people. I just want to inspire to do more. And I want to help people do more. People say, okay, that's fucking cliche, Ali. Everyone wants that nowadays. True. It's true. Everyone kind of wants that nowadays. And I don't see that as a bad thing. Everyone's trying to support each other, because, I see this upcoming generation so fucking beautiful. Us as human beings, we can do so much more than, the past generations could be able to do. And that's why I'm truly grateful to be alive. I try to wake people up that are my age, because they've got the same opportunities that I have. They just don't open their eyes, and I might not open my eyes to what I actually have in front of me. I just want to be real. And this video is getting really awkward. Just putting it out there, guys. I just want to be as real as possible. You might see my flashy shit on Instagram, flashy captions and whatnot, but at the end of the day, it's marketing, guys. This is my most humble version right now. I can even be more humble than right now, but yeah, I guess that's a whole reason why I made this video. Just put it out there, guys, that I'm not this fucking huge guy, although I will be. I know I'm gonna be, and I'm working towards it every single day. But I'm not there yet. Just putting it out there, not trying to be fake. Yeah, fake it till you make it might be a thing, but I believe more in fake it till you become it. So it's kind of a different thing, and that's what I truly believe in. Guys, that's it for the video. It's 5 minutes long. It fucking felt like 20 minutes, Jesus. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you guys in my next one, which is gonna be filled with value again. I just wanted to put this video out there. So peace out, and see you in my next one.